All right, fourth grade. Here we are in exercise 40. Exercise 40, number 1. So it's number 1 on page 85. We're just going to jump right in. These are a little bit trickier than exercise 39, but they're still not too bad. Gwen and Susan bought the box of cookies and the tub of ice cream. They shared the cost equally. How much did each pay? All right, so we've got two girls. They went to the store and they bought these two things. All right, they bought their ice cream, they bought their cookies. They're going to share the cost. They want to make sure that each pays the exact amount, each pays the same amount. Okay, this is what they bought. The first thing, what do you think the first thing is we need to do? The first thing we need to do is figure out how much they spent all together at the store on the cookies and the ice cream. So to find out how much all together, when you hear all together, either me saying it or in your words in the problem, you usually will add or multiply. Okay, so we're going to do adding this time. We're going to say $4.65, which is how much the ice cream cost, and $3.15, which is how much our cookies cost. We're going to add those together. Remember, for our addition, we just drop the decimal point right there. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 1 plus 1 is 8. 4 plus 3 is 7. Dollar sign. All together, for the cookies and the ice cream, the girls spent $7.80. Now, we want to make sure they each paid the same amount. We could draw a little tiny bar model over here, okay, which shows there's honestly different ways. There's different ways that you could do this. Let's see. I'm going to do it this way. Remember, for math, there's a lot of different ways that you can get to the answer, but there's always only one right answer, okay? So there's different ways for this one and for the bar model, but this is what I'm going to do. Okay, so this right here is how much they spent all together at the store. They spent $7.80. We want to divide that whole into equal parts. One equal part for Gwen and the other part for Susan, because each of them are going to pay the same amount. They're going to share the cost equally. Okay, so that makes this pretty easy. We've got $7.80 for the whole thing. We only have two girls, so we're going to divide it 2 into 2. Okay, so $7.80 divided by 2. Guys, I'm going to erase this right here because I am running out of room on my little board. $7.80 divided by 2. For our division problems, when we have decimals in division, we immediately put that little decimal point up, and then if we have a dollar sign, we put him up there too. 2 goes into 7. Can it go in? Sure can. 2 goes into 7 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down our 8. Repeat, starting with my division. 2 goes into 18. How many times? 9 times. 9 times 2 is 18. Subtract. 18 minus 18 is 0. Bring down my 0. 2 goes into 0. How many times? 0 times. 0 times 2 is 0. I'm left with a 0. I have nothing else to bring down, so that means I'm done with my problem. I know that what I just figured out is that each of these boxes has $3.90 in it. That means that each girl will pay this amount. How much did each pay? each paid $3.90. So for this one here, the main little trick to this one was just remembering that you had to add the cost of these first and then divide. So it's a two-step problem. Okay, all right, great job. We'll go on to the next one.